Hello students, welcome to the class. We are doing the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure? And today we will discuss what is a homogeneous mixture and what do we mean by a true solution. We have already discussed what a mixture is and what are the different types of mixture. Today we shall discuss in detail what is homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture is also called a true solution or simply solution. Its characteristic properties are that the particles cannot be seen by naked eyes and particles cannot be separated from solution by filtration. The solute particles do not settle down when allowed to rest, and the particles do not allow light to scatter. Let us understand this in detail. Air, milk, soil, brass. Children, can you guess what is common between all these? Could you guess? These are all mixtures. Air is a mixture of different gases: nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Milk is a mixture of water, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, etc. Similarly, soil is a mixture of many components. Brass is a mixture of, or we can say an alloy of, copper and zinc. In all these mixtures, the components are not chemically mixed, they are just physically combined together. One important aspect of a mixture is that its property depends on the proportion of the components present in it. To understand this better, let us take an example. Let us take 2 cups of tea. In the first cup, we add 1 sugar cube, half cup milk and some tea leaves. In the second cup, we add 2 cubes of sugar, 3/4 cup of milk and some tea leaves. If you see the color of both, you can see the difference. In the second cup, where we added 3/4 cup of milk, you can see the color will look more lighter because of presence of more milk. Similarly, if you taste, this cup will taste sweeter because of presence of 1 extra cube of sugar. So tea is a mixture and both these cups contain tea, but their taste and color and other properties are different. So we can say the properties of a mixture depend on the proportion of different components. Moreover, the state of tea is liquid. So more appropriately, instead of calling it a mixture, we will call it a solution. So we conclude tea is a liquid, and so liquid mixtures are called solutions. So can we say solution and mixture refer to the same thing? Partially, yes. In this video and further in this chapter, we will discuss about solution, which are an important type of mixture. In front of you, there are 3 glasses containing solution. In one, we have added mud with water. In second one, we have added salt with water. And in the third, we have added sugar with water. Just by looking at these, can you identify which one contains which solution? Yes, you can easily identify the glass containing muddy water. But what about the other 2? Can we identify sugar solution and salt solution just by looking at them? No, we cannot. They simply look like water. This is because the particles of solute are not visible. They are uniformly distributed all through the solution. Whereas in case of mud and water, we can easily see mud particles suspended in water and then settle down at the bottom. So the first one is a heterogeneous mixture which has a non-uniform composition and varying properties. So in case of the second and third solution, the properties and composition of mixture is uniform throughout, and they are in single phase. Such a mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Suppose you are given a bowl of nuts. which has different types of nuts, it is very easy to identify various nuts present in the bowl, and also the composition of the mixture varies throughout. So this is a heterogeneous mixture. Now what about steel? It is a mixture. Now can we identify whether it is homogeneous or heterogeneous? Steel is a mixture of mainly iron and carbon along with some other components, but these components are not visible to our naked eyes, and its composition looks uniform throughout the mixture. So it's a homogeneous mixture. Now this type of homogeneous mixtures are called solutions. That is, a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components. So here salt solution, sugar solution and steel are all homogeneous mixtures or solutions. So solutions need not be liquid, they may be in any state. I hope the topic is clear. Now before we wind up, kindly solve these questions from the topic discussed just now. Until I come up with my next video, enjoy learning. Kindly like, share and subscribe.